Alrighty, in another attic, Larson Air Plumbing. We're in a Sunstone community out here off Kyle Canyon Road. House is like a year old. They have an Aprilaire humidifier, and with these you need to change the canister once a year. So we're going to change the canister, and let's show you how to do this. So you just take that off. And obviously you're going to shut the power off. We're going to undo these three connections and then pop that hose off. It's when you turn the power off, it automatically drains, so it has already drained. And then you're going to follow the power wire, which is to this outlet, turn that off, and we are going to replace this canister. So these pop off just like that. One. It's hard to do with the camera, but I'll do my best here. Okay, it doesn't matter if you get those mixed up, there's no polarity in it, so you can reverse those if you forget, but we'll keep it like that to remember. Let's do that a little bit more. High-tech stuff. Okay, that's popping off of the bottom. So we gotta get this thing off. Try to do this one-handed. It's kind of hard. Okay, there we go. Okay, that pops off like that. And just put this like that. This like that. This over here. I'm looking like a professional now. Okay. Canisters out. Okay. That's great. Good news. Now you got to replace this O-ring down here. So it comes with a new O-ring, and you got to replace. Oh yeah, look at all that crap in there. Well, let's get the new one out. Okay, so I got this little O-ring out. Comes with a new one. This is the new one. That seats down in that little area. Boom. Okay, so how you install this, label out. So you see this is the new filter there. Push that down. Looks like about right there. Okay. You're gonna slide that tighten that hose clamp on there. Let's tighten that baby up. Uh-oh. What happened to the problem with you lose stuff in the attic, you can't find anything. because I want to get it. Alright, these babies go back on like that. Put this yellow wire here. It's just like a round deal. Okay, that went good on there. And the last one. That one was a little tough. Alright, we'll see what's up. Okay, that ain't going nowhere. Down there looks good. Let's see what happens now. Okay, I'm gonna turn the power back on to the unit. Turn this baby back on. Just thinking about it. Well, we just want to make sure it's not leaking. Let's see if it fills. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I don't want to interrupt it. But if it did leak, it's got a big drip pan here, which it's not going to, but I just want to make sure. If you have one of these, let us know. We'll be happy to change it out for you. They are kind of expensive, but Larson Air Plumbing will be able to help you out.